first thing I want to ask you is that you have a degree in economics,
Yeah.
and then, if I'm not wrong, you did your MBA also, right? Or
No,
you
no.
did?
I did my so I completed school. Then I graduated in economics. I got a bachelor's degree, and then I was in India for 2 years. I was doing some startups and freelancing stuff related to food and beverage, the F&B industry. And then I came to do a postgraduate diploma in culinary arts. So I haven't
Okay.
done an MBA. I switched right after graduation.
Okay. So that's what I want to know. Ki you did economics. Then generally people work in the finance side or business side of the business, and maybe they go for a higher study like MBA or something like that. But you switched to a culinary course. So how did that happen? कि यार economics छोड़ के मेरे को food and business में not as a an entrepreneur but as a chef you want to go there. So how
Yeah.
did that shift happen? And I
So
know for a fact that MasterChef Australia has played a very important role in this journey
yeah.
for you. So if you
So
can just tell us.
basically, it's a very long story, but how I started was, because right after school, I used to come home and switch on MasterChef Australia, or there used to be this channel on TV called Travel Living, TLC.
Yes.
So I had like a line of TV shows all related to cooking on them. So I used to write down all the recipes, and when we had the weekends off from school, or when I was my summer break, I was always cooking at home. So my mom actually, she told me that, you should go for hotel management. But my dad saw me more on the economic side. So as I was not clear, at that age, we don't really know what is meant for us. So I just, switched to economics. And during college, then I started writing a food blog. So from there on, in my last year, I got verified by Zomato in India. They made me a certified reviewer. So I was reviewing restaurants, and during my last year, I got a job from a food startup in Gurgaon, NCR. So they were basically delivering food boxes, recipes ready to cook. And so I joined their team. It was very interesting, met some amazing people. And after a year working with them, I realized how much I want to, go into food. And then I joined this restaurateur in Delhi and Bombay, Priyank Sukhija. He had a competition for all the bloggers, like 16 people competing at his restaurants. And I won that competition. I'm just going to like shorten it up. I won a trip to Thailand, and I went with my parents, and all this time I was thinking, like all these things around food are happening for me. And so I should, really think about it. And in between these things, I also did internships with HSBC, and kept pursuing my economics as well during my last year. And so finally I worked with him as a food and menu stylist. I did 13 restaurants in Delhi and Bombay, but I wasn't feeling, because I was not cooking, I was designing the menus and doing the final plating. So in 2017, I decided that, I need to learn what it takes for the food to come on the plate rather than just viewing it from as an outsider. So I decided I'm going to change my field completely. And that's when I, decided I'm going to follow the culinary arts.